Buna enchera yamo Kogikeria Chisegi chegenka gose gender based violence niko bono higati ABAOROKIGWA kuri University ya KISII abagosomera rijiko batware igikaro kya bene iryo gosemia abana inchi igoro yokurwania Chisegi chikagwetera se enchera yemitandao okwana ase esukuru eyo niko bona ABAOROKIGWA abo kero bari konyora maigeria yo gwikania merobire yo basabire abana inchi gotakira kero babwatranigwe nemechande.
Leo tulikuwa tuna commemorate siku ya human rights ambayo pia tulikuwa tunamaliza 16 days of activism. Theme ya leo ilikuwa human rights, our everyday essential. Tulikuwa tunaweza kuongelea technology facilitated gender based violence. Tukaweza kujifunza jinsi ya kujichunga tunapokuwa kwenye mitandao. Pia tukaweza kujifunza jinsi sisi kama vijana tunaweza simamia rights zetu, haki zetu na kuweza kuziongea kwa watu wengine, kuwaelimisha jamii. Wanafunzi wa KISII University wameamua kwamba watakuwa katika mstari wa mbele kuzuia vita ambazo zinaendelea online. They will be responsible and they will use their social media responsibly to create positivity and to build a creation of human rights.
Abantu bonsi to the community and the whole country to wenta go chamo to manyena go comment on a platform on something in a negative manner. That is in GBV as a facilitated through technology. And the good thing to iruvono chi platforms to guchinamba cha DCI chinamba cha usikimie chinamba cha chi platform au choko report in case ebintu byatoikere nonye na arinka genda somo chief mueleze na akore iruiga na iga maybe on an online platform on all these GBVs happen, and now you are talking on how technology nyarire maybe ko facilitate mentekanire bono toko rigichinchera kiranyare ko kyana ayemo yabono ko report kende no abantu kwerusia ko protect enchera bare on their online platforms.
Teko genderera igas chingaki amangana ya gender based violence na bagusira asengento kero muntu na bakoba aware yegento agakorera kereke bina ko report igamangana na bakunyara go kyana. Based violence ne ko involve ebintu ebinge ne bwate physical violence ne bwate social violence ne bwate economic violence ebintu buna rape ogotibongwa kwa abana abaiseke pia wavulana wanaweza kuwa wamedhulumiwa kijinsia, ebuna biko involve rape, alafu pia kutukana mtu online about lowering someone about self esteem na biko include beyond gender based violence.